Once again, good morning, children. How are you all? So today we are going to start our chapter, that is going downhill on a bicycle, chapter number 4. So now the student, today we have completed the chapter. Now we have completed almost the chapter. It's a words meaning, question answer and word wonder. So now today we will do the language lab, a small portion of this lesson. Okay, student. So now I'm starting. First is here, listen to these words. Okay, student, you have to listen to these words. First is here, bread, dad, feather, ahead, already, having. So now the student, you have to notice that in the above words, the letters EA give a short E sound. You have to notice, yes, I am pronouncing again. Please repeat after me. Okay, bread, that, either, ahead, already, having. So here we know the sound of E here. Okay, so now next one is here is our exercise of fill up. Number B, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the book. So now the student here already given a help box, so we have to fill fill in the blanks. So now ready, bedspread, had and instead. So now the students you notice that here are given a 4 word meaning, so we have to fill in the blanks. So now first one is here, this that is beautiful. So now this here we use this bedspread. Now we use first one is here bedspread. Okay, bedspread. So now, okay, bedspread. Now second one is here, why don't you study dash of talking? Why don't we study instead of talking? Okay, so here we use instead. Okay, here we use instead of talking. So now the student, we have to notice here we use the two words here. So now we will move on the next page. Third one is here, are you dash to play cricket? Are you ready? Okay, so here we use ready. READY, ready. Okay, student. Now, next one is here. He suffered a dash injury in the accident. So now the student, he suffered a head injury. HEAD, head injury in the accident. So now the student, you have to notice that we have to complete our fill-up. So now we have completed our lesson. Okay, now I'm starting a revision of your grammar portion. So now today we will start a noun gender. Okay. So now the student, this is our first revision topic of noun gender. So now the student, you have to know about the nouns. Noun is the name of the person, things, animal, or everything around us is called a noun. So now in this session, we talk about the noun gender. So what is gender? Gender is a category of a noun. Gender category is the noun here. So now we are going to discuss about the gender. So now, student, masculine, feminine, common, and neuter are 4 types of gender nouns in English. So now you have to remember that the masculine, feminine, common, and neuter are the 4 types of gender nouns in English. Either the gender, either the male or female, division of their specifics, especially as differentiated by the social and cultural laws and behavior. So now the students, you notice that we will we will discuss the 4 types of category of noun gender. First is here masculine, second is feminine, third is common, and fourth is here neutral gender. Have you understood? So there are 4 types of gender nouns in English language. So now students, let us learn about one by one. So first one is here masculine gender. So now the names of all male persons. Okay, the name of all male person or animals. Now male animals come under this gender. So now जो भी male person होते हैं, male animals होते हैं, comes under this gender. किस gender के अंदर में आते हैं? Masculine gender में आते हैं. आते हैं. So now here look at the example. First is man, uncle, waiter, king and fox. So now the student, you have to notice that here the 4 is a person and 5th is a animal. So now we have to notice that when you speak, when you right, man, uncle, when you identify that it is in the category of masculine gender. Okay, ये जो category है किसके अंदर आती है? As we talk about the man, uncle, as a in your home we talk about our father, grandfather. तो ये it is category, it is all the names of all male person जो किस category में आते हैं? Masculine gender की category में आते हैं. So now we will move on the next category, that is feminine gender. So now the names of all female persons or female animals come under this gender. Okay student, जो भी female person or animals होते हैं वो किस category में आएंगे? Feminine gender. Okay, now look at the example. Women, aunt, waitress, queen and vixen. So now the student, you will notice that the first 4 is a female person, and now my dear student, vixen is female fox here. So now we talk about the female person or animal. So now the vixen is here, female fox. So now student, you have to understand when we talk about the female gender, all the female person, as you notice in your home, as your mother, as your sister, as your grandmother, okay, all these types of person come in the category of feminine gender. Here also you notice women, aunt, waitress, queen and vixen is an animal, is also come in the category of feminine gender. Okay student, now I have to understood the masculine gender and feminine gender. Now we will move on the next slide, that is common gender. So now the third category of gender is a common gender. So there are certain names that can be used for both male and female nouns. Now the student, you notice that can be used both male and female nouns. Such names come under common gender. जो भी आपकी जो कैटेगरी में आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते उसको कि वो कौन से जेंडर में आते हैं? कॉमन जेंडर. As now looking at those names, we can't say whether it's male or female. So now look at the example. First one is here: doctor, teacher, parents, students and officer. So now the students, you notice that when listening to a doctor, okay, when listening to a doctor, you distinguish whether it's a male or female. It is not exactly like that. Okay, such kinds of names come under common gender. As we talk about a teacher, whether it is male or female. Also now we talk about the parents. Parents is also come in the category of male or female also, whether it's a male, whether it's a female. Now the students is also the name when we use both male and females also. And officer name is also used for a male or female. We cannot identify the officer male or no officer female. So now we talk about in a one word as a doctor, teacher, parents, student, officer, and these names come in the category of common gender. So now the student, we have to understand the common gender. Okay, now we cannot say whether we cannot say that it is a male, it is a female. We say that it is both male or female. दोनों ही हो सकते हैं. ऐसे हम डॉक्टर की बात करते हैं तो डॉक्टर क्या हो सकते हैं? मेल भी हो सकते हैं और फीमेल भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, so now we move on the next category, that is neuter gender. So now what is neuter gender? The non-living things cannot be distinguished as either male or female. Okay, the names of such things comes under neuter gender. हम किसी को जो non-living things होते हैं हम किसको distinguish नहीं कर सकते इधर ये male और female. वो male और female नहीं होते हैं. The names of such things, जो दूसरी जो चीजें such things comes under neuter gender. Okay, so now let's look at the example. First is here table, first is tea, second is table, third is book, and fourth one is pen, and fifth one is here book. So now the student, you notice that here we do not talk about the male or female category. We talk about the non-living things here. We talk about non-living things that is distinguished and not distinguished as a male or female. So now these things come into the category of neutral gender. So now the student neutral gender category में कौन-कौन से जेंडर में कैटेगरी में कौन-कौन से एग्जाम जैसे हमने बात करते हैं टेबल की बुक की. So now it is not a living thing. We talk about non-living thing. So now book, pen. Here you notice the all around the us. So now you can use a mobile phone. You can use a laptop. You can use a mouse, keyboard, pencil, book, table. तुम जिस टेबल पे बैठे हो बेंच है तुम्हारे चारों तरफ की दिस इज द कैटेगरी ऑफ न्यूट्रल जेंडर. ओके सो नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. So now we have completed the 4 types of gender. First is masculine gender, second is feminine gender, third is common gender, fourth one is here neutral gender. So now when we talk about the masculine to feminine, so there are the difference between when we write this, okay, when we speak. So now here we notice that there are some more than one way. So we are in this slide we are talking about the rules of the gender. So now there are more than one way to form feminine names from masculine names like. So now first rule is there by adding e double s. So now the student will notice that हम जब भी masculine से जब हम feminine जब हम gender use करते हैं तब हम उसमें क्या add करेंगे e double s. So now look at the example. First one is here host. So now HOST. So when we talk about feminine host, we use a hostess. So we add e double s when we write, and we speak a hostess. Now host become hostess. Now second one is here lion. Lion became lioness as a female gender. So lioness, we add e double s here. Now third one is here prince. So in the female gender we use princess. So we add princess. So now become a princess in feminine gender. So the student will notice that by adding e double s we make a word of feminine gender. And repeating again, host, hostess, lion, lioness, prince, princess. Okay, now students, you have to understand the first rule of the change of masculine to feminine. Now here are the second rule. By making slight change in the masculine names before adding e double s. So now in the first rule we already add e double s without change. Then the second rule we make a slight change in the masculine names. So now here the example. First one is here actor as a masculine actor become a actress. So now the student you notice that we don't only add e double s, we omit. So you notice ACTOR. Now the student will notice that ACTOR double S actress. Masters. So now you notice master MASTER. Masters become mistress. MISTRE double S. So you notice TRE. So you notice here E is omitted. Here we remove the E. So here you notice that here we remove E and we add e double s. So now the next one is here tiger. We become a tigress. So here you notice T is spelling of tiger, 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 and tigress TIGRE double S. You have to notice that RE double S. Notice TIGER. Here we GER. No, we don't use GER. We use a TIGRE double S. So here we become a tigress. So student, you have to memorize. You have to remember in your mind that tiger become a tigress. Not just simply add es. We have to learn about the spelling of tigress. Okay. So now here the third rule is here by making some changes in the word. अब कई जो words होते हैं feminine के जब हम इसको masculine जो words होते हैं उसको जब feminine में बनाते हैं तो उसमें हमको क्या करना पड़ता है स्लाइड थोड़ा सा कुछ changes ही करने पड़ते हैं. देखिए widow, widower. Second is here hero, heroine. Third one is here bridegroom. Here in the female category, here we use become bridegroom, become a bride. So here you notice that there are some changes in the word. Widow, widow, only we added er. Hero, heroine, hero, we added I and e here. So now next is bridegroom. Here we use the other word we are bride. Here we use bridegroom. Here we use bride on the female gender. Okay, now student, you have to understand the three rules. Now we will move on the next rules. Number 4, feminine names of compound nouns are formed by replacing the part of the noun which shows gender. अब देखिए क्या कर रहा है जो female compound nouns. Here you notice the what is a compound noun? जब दो शब्दों से मिलकर जो word बनता है. Here you notice the example landlord, grandfather, peacock. Here it is called a compound nouns. So are formed by replacing the part of the noun. Here we talk about the replacing the part of the noun which shows gender. वो क्या करते हैं? Gender show करते हैं. Now look at the example. First one is here landlord. So where here we replace only the part of the noun. Landlord become a landlady. We already change only the part of the gender. Okay, here only lady. Now next one is here grandfather. So here we replacing the father here to become a feminine grandmother. Here we use a grandmother. Okay. So now third one is here peacock. So here peacock. Here we replace the word cock become a feminine gender peahen. So here we use a peahen. So now the student, you have to notice that the words of this compound nouns we only replace the only lady, we only replace the lord become a lady, father become a mother, and cock become a hen in this rule. So now student, we have to understood the 4 rules of the gender. So now we will move on the next rules by replacing the verb. So now the student, when we talk about the rules, when we sometimes we add e double s, when we sometimes omit o, omit e, we change the name, only we changing replacing the part of a noun. So now in the 5th rule, by replacing the word, now student, you have to notice that in the replacing the word we don't use e double s, don't use other nouns added. So here you notice that king become a queen, boy become a girl, brother become a sister. So here we will become a feminine gender from a masculine gender. Okay students, now we have to memorize. Okay, we have to memorize that only the part of the word we change. We have to replace it and add it other words. So now the student, we have completed our noun gender. So now here are the question of right feminine gender of the words. You have already written in your notebook. So now you can check again these genders. So first is here priest become a priestess, host, hostess, actor, actress, fox, vixen, hunter, huntress, master, mistress, hero, heroine, tiger, tigress, giant, giantess, dog, witch. So now next one, next 11 number is here. Husband, wife, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, nephew, nice. Sorry, nephew, niece, duck, lion, lioness. Number 17, he goats. Here you notice that only we replace the pronoun also. He goat become a she goat. Now number 18, grandfather, we replace the noun grandmother. Landlord, landlady. Milkman also make a milkmaid. Milkman make a, here we use a part of a noun. Milkman, we use a milkmaid from a feminine gender. So now the student, you have to notice that. So there are the 4 or 5 rules to make to write feminine masculine to feminine gender. I hope you have to understood the rules of this gender. So now student, if you have any problem, you can ask me related to this